ayun. So ayun nga po mga kaibigan, what is up? Back at it again. Kung nakikita nyo naman may araw at walang bagyo, isipin nyo kung nasan kami. Wala kami sa Philippines. That's for sure. Pero yun, samahan nyo kami sa ngayong vlog na ito. Ngayon kasama natin si Boss Gerald. Quote ni Gerald. Ayan po. Ayan o. Tenen! Fishing daw kami guys. Wala na kasing ulam ubus na. Kaya tara, samahan nyo kami maghanap ng ulam. Diba ka? Let's go. Let's do this.
Sana may makuha.
Ano?
Sana may makuha.
Yung direction.
Right.
Ay, mali.
Lowered ba ito? Tip-tip lang mo sa...
Right nga eh.
Aray ko. Ay, right pala.
Wala to guys, yung instructor ko. Bagsak. Tapos
dito ka right eh.
lagi yung preno mo boy. Kailangan na mapalit. Nasaan pa?
Kailan sila ng patch? Just
Mas maano to, ma-aggressive na tayo. Sige sir. Oh, sundan natin si kuya. Content to pag may biglang sumingit dyan.
Pag uwi ko dun tol, putang ina, parang yung patience ko sobrang iksi. Pag may pila, nababad trip ako eh. Wag na lang ba yung magbayad?
Okay guys,
Pati pag
balikan namin kayo. Yes, sa vlog tayo. For content purposes. Kanina pa kami dito tol ah. Uy,
Ay, itatalting na mo, papasukan yan.
we went first man. Dahil pa naging content.
Hindi ka kumagawan. Ay, baka isasara nila yun.
Take the next right onto Pitt Street. 600
Ngayon.
meters, turn left onto Lansdowne Street.
Malamig na hangin.
Street, then use the left lane to take the Western Motorway Slip Road.
Buti may ganun sa inyo, 60 pag traffic.
Iba-iba yun.
Pag hindi masyado traffic, 80.
Yung normal.
Oo.
Continue on M4 for 17 kilometers.
Uy, Australian.
Coding ba to?
Ha? May ganun? The fuck?
Yan tol, oh, yung
Take the
may tol.
A44 exit.
Yan tol, may tol. Dyan tol.
Diyan yung tol, Diyan yung tol.
Oo tol.
Okay, tol.
Then use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Great Western Highway.
Okay.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Great Western Highway, Parramatta Road.
Dyan ako nag-work tol.
Bob Jane!
Bob Jane.
Dapat daw, nakaganto lang lagi. Bawal tayong ganyan.
Dapat dalawang kamay.
The fuck? That's crazy. Tapos, 1 car distance.
Okay,
The
you're
fuck?
too close, motherfucker.
Ito?
Oh.
Too close na to?
Malapit na yan, man.
Hindi very far.
By the book talaga.
Okay.
Ganyan, gano'n.
Ganyan?
Hindi, masyado na malayo.
Okay.
Hindi pa left lane.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto James Roos Drive.
Wasak.
Wasak na wasak.
Continue on James Roos Drive for 3 kilometers.
Servo, wala
turbo. Bukas ayos gamit, ready para work. Bullshit. Dami ng bullshit na nangyari. Ganda. Leg. Gana pa ka-homesick lahat kayo kamera. Aray, papa. Okay. Sydney, I'm coming for your ass.
Slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, I wanna hate this. I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who guided it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
Yeah.
Do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable.
Sulit na umuwi mo.
Ha?
Sulit naman na umuwi ka.
Ano naman tol?
Aray ko.
Na-recharge.
Pero ba't tayo bumalik?
Hindi ko rin alam. Ayos.
Mas may pera pa yung mga nandun.
Ayun nga eh. Kaya nga sabi ko may pera sa Pinas tol eh. Kaso ang ano lang kasi dito, opportunity para kila ating iniisip ko eh. Yun lang yung iniisip ko kasi. Kung ayaw lang nila mag ibang bansa tol at kung hindi lang profession yung iniisip nila, doon na lang ako sa Pinas, tulungan ko si Papa.
At your destination.
Oy, sakit na naman. Roundabout man tol.
Putang ina.
Wala pa nga.
Ikaw din naman ako hihirapan. Mahiga-higa lang sa higaan ko. Kaya ko siyang lalapit.
Patigasan na mukha kaya matutong hiya. Ya. May playground pa daw ko na naman. Park.
Take the next left towards Bradley's Head Road.
Sa diretso ko kaya.
Sige, tol!
Giant G. Ay. Malapit na po tayo maloobat. Kaya tipid-tipid muna. Ayos lang po muna kami ni Paring Gerald. Malapit na maloobat. BRB.